Hey everybody, I'm Julie Matheny. I am a speech pathologist and IBCLC lactation consultant, and today I want to talk a little bit about flange to pump adapters. So basically, if you are pumping from a wide neck flange like the Spectra, the Maymom, the Motif Luna, and you're using a narrow neck bottle like the Dr. Brown's or the Even Flow, you can get adapter pieces that screw into the wide neck flange to make it compatible with your narrow neck bottles. So you can be pumping directly into the bottle that you're feeding from, which can really save time if you are what I call a leapfrog or daily pumper. So if what you pump today gets fed tomorrow, instead of pumping into the bottles that come with the pump, you can pump directly into the bottle that the baby is being fed by and save you some washing time. So the wide to narrow neck adapter would be compatible with the Even Flow Balance narrow neck and with the Dr. Brown's narrow neck. Save you some time and some washing. Now obviously if you're using a wide neck bottle, some of these flanges are compatible directly with your bottle system. So the Spectra and Maymom are compatible with Philips Avent bottles. They are compatible with MAM bottles. They are compatible with maybe, kind of with Lancino. It's a tight, sticky fit. You'd have to kind of jam it in there for the Lancino bottles. And this is a Nook. They are not compatible with Nook bottles, but they would be compatible with the Even Flow wide neck. I have found most flanges are not compatible with glass bottles because the threading is totally different. But know that you can pump directly into your bottle system. In reverse, you can go from a Medela narrow neck, which is compatible with Dr. Brown's and Even Flow, but you can get an adapter to make it compatible with your wide neck bottles. Yay! And again, depending on the brand, will get you a different fit. So this Medela flange piece is compatible with Philips Avent very nicely. It is compatible with the wide neck Even Flow. It is compatible with MAM. Let's see. It is, Lancino's a little tricky, sticky. I can get it on there, okay? But not with Nook. Doesn't work. Now this flange adapter, you have to be very specific when you're buying a flange to bottle adapter. This Medela flange is compatible, but the new Medela pump and style with MaxFlow is not. This is a Maymom flange adapter for specific Medela types. They make a longer one where the neck is longer that goes into the pump and style with MaxFlow, these altered new ones. So if your Medela pump flange looks like this, you would get an adapter that looks like this to go to a wide neck bottle. But if you happen to have a Medela piece that looks like this, you need a different flange adapter. So just be mindful when you're trying to go from a pump flange piece to a bottle that you get the correct adapter and know what they are compatible with. Wide bottles like the Boone, this is another Nano BB, the Como Tomo, and this is an Ola. These are not going to be compatible with any of the pump systems that I found. I haven't found a flange adapter. Maybe there's a flange adapter out there. I haven't found it yet. But for these really wide neck bottles, I've yet to find an adapter piece. Honestly, these are not my favorite bottle systems on the market anyway. I don't typically recommend them unless a baby's already taking them for all kinds of reasons that you can find about in my other videos. But just for today, know that you can save yourself some time, some cleaning if you want to try a flange to bottle adapter, and that there are ways to make your life easier when you are pumping and bottle feeding. All right, now you know.